To set keyboard sounds to retro in Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 5, open Good Lock, swipe up home screen to access the app screen, and then tap Good Lock. Next, select Keys Cafe. Tap Style Your Own Keyboard, and then tap Sound. Select Retro Touch Sound. Kita preview keyboard icon to preview sound. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.